Hi, hello, welcome to Homeschool. This is your class 10 Mathematics NCERT or CBSE board. We are in our chapter 10 Quadratic Equations. Exercise 10.3 sixth problem. The diagonals of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Okay, let's see the figure here. This is a rectangular field. All sides are perpendicular to one another. And rectangle will have two shorter sides and two longer sides. We are talking here in this problem shorter and longer. Look here carefully. The diagonal of a rectangular field. How many diagonals you can draw in a rectangle? Two diagonals you can draw. But we are talking about a diagonal. ABCD is a rectangular field where BD is a diagonal. Rectangular field diagonal is 60 meters more. What do you mean by more, children? Diagonal is 60 meters more plus 60. More than what? Shorter side. I think this and this is the shorter side. What is the shorter side? We don't know shorter side. First, we need to assume shorter side. Let it be x meters. Diagonal is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Means diagonal is x plus 60 meters. If the longer side means either AD or BC. Any one side you can take. Longer side is 30 meters more plus 30. 30 meters more means plus 30. More than the shorter side. By the way, what is the shorter side? We have assumed it as x. Longer side is x plus 30 meters. Find the sides of the field. What we need to find? We need to find the shorter and longer side. That is nothing but length and breadth we need to calculate for a rectangular field. Let's start now. Our solution, as this is a verbal problem, we need to write the statements compulsory. Those will carry some marks. You are going to get a right angle and then we are going to apply Pythagoras theorem. Confirm which right angle you want to do. Either this or this, your wish. If you want to do this, better consider shorter side is AB, longer side is AD. I have considered shorter side. AB is equal to how much? We have assumed it as x meters. Longer side is 30 meters more than the shorter side. Means AD is equal to plus 30. Shorter side is x meters. Diagonal of a rectangular field is 60 meters more than the shorter side. What is the diagonal? BD or DB you can write. Is 60 meters more than the shorter side. Like this we have to think and write the verbal problems carefully. We got now right triangle all three sides. What we can apply? We can apply Pythagoras theorem. What is Pythagoras theorem, children? Hypotenuse square is equal to sum of the squares of other two sides. AB square plus AD square. What is BD? X plus 60 whole square. AB. X square. AD. X plus 30 whole square. You can remember an identity A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Apply that here, children. X square plus 2AB 120x plus 60 square 3600 is equal to x square plus, again you can apply A plus B whole square formula. That is x square plus 2AB 60x b square 30 is 900. X square, 1x square is cancelled. And now 120x plus 3600 is equal to x square plus 60x plus 900 you are left. So bring this side. 0 is equal to x square minus 120x plus 60x minus 3600 plus 900. 0 is equal to x square. Minus 120 plus 60 will be minus 60x minus 3600 plus 900. Subtract 900 there. Then what you are left with? It will be 2700. At a time do reverse. X square minus 60x minus 2700 equal to 0. Okay. Now you need to factorize this equation. Whichever method you want, you can do, children. You can go with a direct factorization, or you can apply formula, or you can go with the completing square method. Better I choose now factorization method. Multiply this x square coefficient and constant. 1 into minus 2700. It will be minus 2700. Find out factors here, children. 2700, what are the factors? I can take 9 3s, right? 90, 30 I will take. Minus 90 plus 30, you are going to get minus 60. Take down x square, split the middle term. Minus 90x plus 30x minus 2700 equal to 0. Take out common x minus 90, and here you take out 30 common, x minus 90. Let's carry the problem here. X minus 90 into x plus 30 equal to 0. Now equate 0 separately. X minus 90 equal to 0 or x plus 30 equal to 0. Minus 90, it will become plus 90. Plus 30, it will become minus 30. Now you got your x value. What is x, children? X is the shorter side of a rectangle. There you have to think a little. What is that? Which answer I need to select? 90 or minus 30? Do sides we get any negative value? No, we never get negative value. Therefore, shorter side x is equal to 90 meters. So side length cannot be negative. Therefore, we take positive value. Okay, shorter side x is equal to AB is equal to 90 meters. Then what about longer side? Longer side is, you can write here, longer side is equal to AD equal to x plus 30. That will be 90 plus 30, 120 meters. Did they ask us diagonal? Yes, find the sides of the field. They asked only sides. They did not ask us diagonal. Then diagonal, what it will be, children? 90 plus 60, it will be 150 meters. They asked us only the sides of the field. Therefore, the sides of the rectangular field are 90 and 120 meters. Let's see the seventh problem. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. What are we talking here? We are talking about two numbers. The difference of squares of two numbers is 180. What are those two numbers? We don't know. The square of the smaller number. Yes, I think it might be larger number and smaller number. What are the two numbers? One is smaller number, one is larger number. They are given in the statement smaller number. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. So first, which number we need? We are talking about smaller number. Smaller number is 8 times larger number. Do we know larger number? We don't know larger number. So first we need to assume let the larger number be x. Then we are going to get the smaller number. Find the two numbers is your problem. Let's start our solution. Let the larger number be x. Then what is smaller number? The square of the smaller number is, square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Somehow this problem is twisting, no? Try to understand, it will be very easy for you. The square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Let me take here. Smaller number square is equal to, square of the smaller number is 8 times the larger number. Larger number is x, 8 times means 8x. Now what is smaller number? I don't want the square. Then apply other side, square root. Smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. Now, smaller number is root 8x, larger number is x. We need to find what is smaller number and what is larger number. They have given in your first statement, the difference of squares of two numbers is 180. What are the two numbers? Larger and smaller. Squares. Difference means subtraction. The squares difference, larger number square minus smaller number square is equal to 180. What is larger number? X square minus smaller number root 8x whole square and write in brackets. If you want, you can write x square also in brackets. X square minus square root will be cancelled. 8x minus 180 equal to 0. Now what we need to do? We need to find the roots. In any method you can find. Let us go with the factorization method. Multiply x square coefficient and constant. 1 into minus 180. Minus 180. What are the factors in order to get the middle term? Minus 8. 8 in 10s are 180. Let's take here. But I should get minus 8. How can I get minus 8? If I take minus 18 plus 10, minus 8 you are going to get. If you multiply, are you getting minus 180? Yes. Minus into plus minus. 18 tens are 180. Split the term. X square minus 18x plus 10x minus 180 equal to 0. Take out common. X is common. X into x minus 18 plus in these two 10 is common. X minus 18 equal to 0. Again in these two, x minus 18 into x plus 10 equal to 0. X minus 18 equal to 0 or x plus 10 equal to 0. X is equal to 18 or x is equal to minus 10. Now look here, what are we talking? We are talking about the two numbers. We need to find the two numbers. The roots of this equation is x is equal to 18 and x is equal to minus 10. So I don't know, numbers may be negative or positive. They did not give us any positive word if they give there. Positive numbers means I should not consider this. But they did not give us either positive or negative. So, two cases I need to consider. First one, if x is equal to 18, larger number x is equal to 18 and smaller number, what is the smaller number, children? Root of 8x. Smaller number is equal to root of 8x. Now, that will be root of 8 into 18. 18 8s, it will be square root of 144. What is 144 square root? It will be 12. So, larger number is 18 and smaller number is 12. Second case, if x is equal to minus 10, larger number is equal to x is equal to minus 10. And now smaller number is equal to square root of 8x. Square root of 8 into minus 10, it will be minus 80. Children, do you remember if you have a negative value in a root, you can define that? No. Therefore, it is undefined. Undefined, we cannot define the value of this root. Therefore, larger number is 18 and smaller number is 12 and I won't consider x is equal to minus 10. Eighth problem. A train travels 360 kilometers. Travels 360 kilometers means what? It is the distance. Let's see, this is a track. Just imagine it as a track. Okay. Imagine this is a train. Train travels 360 kilometers. What is 360 kilometers? It is a train traveling distance at a uniform speed. What is the speed? We don't know. Let us assume speed. Let the uniform speed be x kilometers per hour. If the speed had been 5 kilometers per hour more, what happens? Uniform speed. Let first speed be x kilometer per hour. If speed is increased by 5 kilometers means x plus 5 more, it would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. Find the speed of the train. We need to find the speed of the train and 1 hour means they have given time. When they have given time difference 1 hour less means time difference given. So we need to convert our formula. Time is equal to distance by speed. See the solution here. Let the speed of the train uniform speed be x kilometer per hour. Distance traveled by train 360 kilometers. Suppose if its speed increased by 5 kilometers per hour. So first ratio, let us write it here. Distance is 360, speed is x. And if speed 5 kilometers per hour more, then the speed will be x plus 5 kilometers per hour. Distance, same distance. Time is equal to, distance is equal to 360 by speed x plus 5. And now what is that given here? It would have taken 1 hour less for the same journey. 1 hour less. How do you frame this, children? 1 hour less is equal to time. 360 by x minus, we need to subtract, 360 by x plus 5 is equal to 1. Now once again let me repeat the problem. Distance is 360 kilometers, train traveling with a uniform speed. Let the speed be x kilometer per hour. And if the speed is increased by 5 kilometers, means x plus 5 kilometers, then it takes 1 hour less time. 1 hour less for the same journey. When speed increases, time decreases. Yes or no? Speed increased by 5 kilometers, then time decreased by 1 hour. Have to frame this, children. Time is equal to distance by speed. Difference is equal to 1. Now, we need to solve these two ratios. Do LCM. X into x plus 5. X already there. X plus 5 multiply for the numerator. 360 into x plus 5 minus 360x is equal to 1. Remove from bracket. 360x plus 5 6 are 30, 5 3s are 15, plus 3 will be 18. Minus 360x is equal to 1 by x into x square plus x into 5, 5x. Plus 360x minus 360x cancel. Now what happened here? Send this that side, cross multiply. X square plus 5x, bring this 1800 this side, minus 1800 equal to 0. At a time reverse, you got a quadratic equation. We need to find the roots. Which method you are comfortable, you can go with that method. They did not give you do with this method only. They did not give, no. You can go with any of your choice. 1 into 1800, it is 1800. Plus into minus, minus. Let me continue our problem here. Minus 1800. What are the factors here? How to find factors? Do LCM. 2 9s, 2 4s, 2 5s, 2 zeros. And again 5 9s, 0. 5 1s, 5 8s. Then again 3 6. 3 2s. 5 2s are 10. 10 2s are 20. 20 2s are 40. 3 3s are 9. 9 5s are 45. I take a factor of 40 and 45. Let me check out whether I am going to get plus 5. Yes, I can get. How I can get? If I take plus 45 minus 40, I am going to get plus 5. Now split the middle term. X square minus 40x plus 45x minus 1800 equal to 0. In these two, x is common, x minus 40, and in these two, 45 is common, x minus 40 equal to 0. X minus 40 into x plus 45 equal to 0. X minus 40 equal to 0 or x plus 45 equal to 0. X is equal to 40 and x is equal to minus 45. So look here, speed. Speed, will it be negative? No, speed cannot be negative. Therefore, you can write that. Speed cannot be negative. Therefore, uniform speed is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. This is the question what they asked us. Find the speed of the train. The uniform speed of the train is equal to 40 kilometers per hour. With this, we are going to end our session, children. In our next class, we are going to complete this exercise. Until that, keep watching. Thank you all.